I'm Shreya Ghoshal, and just finished singing a beautiful, beautifuful track for Oka Manasu. What a lovely composition by Sunil Kashyap and beautifully written by Rama Jogaya Shastri Garu. And really enjoyed this one. It's a very romantic, soft ballad, and I'm sure everyone who loves music and has a beating romantic heart will love this song instantly. And it's a cute tune, so let me sing, if I can sing a line for you. O manasa cheruvaga raila nanu leelo aaputu velipommani tarimestaavela O manasa cheruvaga raila O manasa cheruvaga raila nanu neelo aaputu velipommani tarimestaavela O manasa cheruvaga raila My best wishes to the team of Oka Manasu, and superb team, a lot of enthusiastic, fantastic, talented bunch of people working to make a beautiful movie. So lots of luck, lots of success, and happy listening to the album, happy viewing of the film, and entertainment is the right word when it comes to such movies. So thank you so much for giving us such enjoyment. O manasa cheruvaga raila nanu neelo aaputu velipommani tarimestaavela O manasa cheruvaga raila
బతుకు బాగా కోరుకుంటుంది, ఊరు పరువు కోరుకుంటుంది. రెండు లేవని తెలిసింది ఇక్కడ.
అయినా బతకడం అంటే ఒకళ్ళనొకళ్ళు నమ్ముకోవడం, అమ్ముకోవడం కాదు.